Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. I have an Aldi's haul here for you guys today and some pictures that I did, just kind of a walkthrough thing because I can buy everything. I just found so many great things in that aisle. A lot of people call it the Aldi's aisle of shame, but just so many cute things they have in there right now. So I did take a lot of pictures of things, and I think I pretty much got the prices of everything in the pictures too. Some of them are separate picture because I just wanted to make sure I got it because sometimes the glare in there is awful. But anyway, I'm going to show you those first, and then we're going to come back and I am going to show you what I got. Okay, and this is my sweet husband who took me out for breakfast after our fun little shopping trip. So thank you, dear. All right, that was some pretty cool stuff, wasn't it? And of course, my husband, he's such a champ going with me. And that's why we got to go out to breakfast. So, let me show you this stuff here. First, I picked up this rug for outside of I'm knocking everything over. Back door, I love these rugs. Um, let's see, let me get this up here so you guys can see. This is 18 by 30 inches. It says it cleans off all the dirt from your shoes. You can just hose these down. These are for outdoor use only. It has this really thick rubber mat on the back of it here so that it's going to stay put. But yeah, how cute is this? This one says farm fresh apples. You pick, what's it say over here? 25 cents, look at that. Corn maze, hot cider, open daily. And then it has arrows for 2 miles. Oh my, this thing is so heavy. It's definitely not going to go anywhere. And look how thick, look how nice and thick this is. But this stuff is great. It just takes everything right off your shoes when you're coming in. So this is going to go outside my back door there so we can wipe off our feet because it does tend to get muddy out there this time of year when it's rainy. And Some of the weeds are dying off, which is a lot of what's in my grass up there where the dogs are. It just gets really nasty towards the fall and winter. So that I picked up. Did I even tell you how much that was? No, I wrote it on here. That was only $6.99. I've gotten much smaller, cheaper looking ones at my other local store that they were like, I don't know, $10, $15 just for a small one. So I thought that was a great price. Now I've seen a lot, let me get my poor little guy back up here. There you go. I've seen a lot of people haul these probably for over a year now. These are the Huntington Home. They're called the Incredible Washable Rugs. You can actually toss these right in the washing machine. This is a 2 foot by 6 foot runner, and this was, where did I write on here? Oh, $19.99. But let me tell you what, this thing is, I'm going to get it out of this package here so I can actually show you guys how nice this is. Ugh, I wish you could feel this. This thing is so soft. It's like, it's almost like a nice blanket. And let's see, what else does it say on here? It's 2 feet by 6 feet. Machine washable, stain resistant, fade resistant, skid resistant, no rug pad required, pet and family friendly and foldable. So yeah, how nice is that? I'll take anything that I can throw in the washing machine. And then the backing has this like nice rubber backing to it too. So you would probably want to wash this. I don't know where the instructions are on here, but I'm assuming. But look how nice and long this is. And the pattern is just really, really pretty. So that is going out in my kitchen. And once the doggies run over it a million times and get it all dirty, I'm going to toss this in the wash and see how it goes. I don't know if the instructions are on this. I don't see it. There's got to be a tag in here somewhere that tells you. There's always a tag. Oh, here's a tag. Let's see what it says on this tag. Ugh, fold over here. Use front load washer. I don't have a front load washer, so we're going to see how it works in a regular washer. Cold water, wash and cold, normal cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry on low heat. Do not iron. I would never want to try to iron this. For best results and ease, fold lines, wash prior to using. So I'm not going to do that. I don't think. I'll just put it down, and those fold lines will probably go away. But I'm definitely not washing this before I use it. But yeah, isn't that nice? And they had different patterns. So if you don't like this one, there's always a different one. So see how this holds up. I really like that. And like I said, I've seen a lot of people, and it does recommend a front load washer. But we'll see. If nothing else, it'll get hung over the fence and hosed down or rinsed off like I do a lot of my other rugs. The other thing I picked up was one of these spatulas. It's a beechwood and silicone spatula. This was $2.99. Look how pretty that is. And this is like really, really heavy duty. This is such a nice piece. And then it has their little logo right in the wood there. But yeah, I love this. This is very pretty. I did get one from Dollar Tree, but it was only printed on one side. But that one was real pretty too. But this is like heavy, heavy duty. Now this I'm excited to try. This is a silicone clip-on strainer. We'll see how this works. This is what it's supposed to do here. And that's so much easier. You know, a lot of times you're trying to balance the lid on there to drain certain things out. But these have these clips here, so you put it right on the pot, and you just clip on. Can you see that there? There they go. Clip on these silicone-covered clips, and yeah, supposedly this is going to strain. And this was $3.99. Only attach the clip to the pot when ready to drain, so you don't want to leave it on there. Do not attach to pot while cooking. There you go. And it is 8.86 inches by 4.13 inches. It doesn't really have a recommended pot size to use it on, so I'm guessing you can pretty much use it on anything. They're showing it on like a big spaghetti pot. So we'll see. I thought that was a really cool thing. Now this pan, I am so excited for this pan. This was $7.99. This thing is huge. This is an oversized grill pan. It has your little grill lines in here. It has a spot here for all your grease and stuff to drain into, which is great. It says you can cook, where did I read it? Am I crazy? Large rib surface cooks up to 1 pound of bacon. So you can put like a whole pound of bacon on here and cook it. How cool is that? But I thought this would be great for like, you know, some fish and stuff that I cook a lot in the oven, and even like, you know, some steaks, whatever you want to do. It says it's oven safe up to 450 degrees. So yeah, pretty cool. It's 21 by 15 inches. So this is just a great size. I've gotten some of their cookie sheets and stuff before, the Crofton brand, and I absolutely love them. They're so easy to clean. But you really, I don't think you can, did I say do not put in a dishwasher? Does it say that? Oh yeah, hand wash only. Right there in big letters. But yeah, this is really nice and really, really big. So yeah, $7.99. You can't beat that. I have bought some other pans in the past that were so much more expensive than those. And I don't have them anymore because I just don't. Now this I was really excited for. These were $14.99, and these are, put this down here a little bit more to see this one. These are craft organizers. It includes 20 dividers with 20 customizable labels, and these are stackable. How cool are these? But these are nice big drawers. They're not just like little bitty. Let's see, where does this open here? I want to pop this open. I don't know. Let's just take our scissors here. I don't even see where this thing comes apart. Well, hey, guess what? We're going to just cut this right open here. There we go. And look how nice. And these are really long trays. These are not like those little tiny trays that you get in some of like for like tools and things and nuts and bolts. These are really, there's a lot of room in these little trays. So I got this one, I got two. Now the other one's a different size. But the drawers are a different size, but it's still, come off of here now, so I'll put you aside. Oh, and I didn't even see that. You can hang these on the wall. It has little things back there if you wanted to put screws in the wall and hang these on the wall. I have a blank wall over there where these would probably fit perfectly. Ooh, I didn't even realize. Oh, now I'm really excited because these babies are probably going to get hung on the wall. If I can find the right kind of screws and things to do it. All right, let me grab the other one here so I can show you this one. And what did I say? These were 14.9 by 6.1 inches wide and 7.4 inches high. Now this one has 10 divided drawers and customizable labels. And I'll show you over here. So let's cut this one open here real quick. I'm excited to see this one too. There we go. Oh, those are the customizable. Huh. Hang on now. Do these have these? I didn't even see these. Well, here are the labels. I can't get these out. Hang on. Look at this little... These are dividers, so you could divide stuff up in here? Is that what these are telling me? Have I been reading this wrong? I'm going to be more These are little dividers that you can put in here. Oh, so you could put like... So... Am I doing this wrong? No, I just don't. How do they go in here? Well, maybe if I get this out. Here's all your little labels that come with it. To label your drawers. Let's see, how does this work? I'm not sure. Oh, they go that way. Okay, so you could actually divide those long drawers into like however many sections you wanted to. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention. All right, let me set those up there because I want to look at this one. Well, this one has the bigger stickers that go to this one. And then these have much, much bigger and deeper drawers. Look how big these are. If you can see that, the glare in here is all so cloudy out today. Yeah, and these are nice and deep. You could put, I don't even know what I'm going to put in here. I have so many little embellishment pieces that I'm sure I won't have any trouble filling these up. And maybe I'll get some more things in here organized. Yeah, let's see. It comes with 10 dividers. I don't know why that didn't make sense to me before when I read it. But yeah, $14.99 these are. Love them. Let's see how they stack here. And here's my dividers. These are much bigger ones for here. And there's like 3 different sections you could divide these off in if you wanted to. Yeah, there's different stickers in there too. You get all kinds of little labels. Well, that's exciting. I didn't even see those in here. All right, let me get these put in here before I misplace something. And I just want to put them on top of each other to see how they stack. Oh, I see. It has like little things in it. Oh, look at that. I'll see. When you pull your drawer and stuff, it's not gonna slide off because it has these little corners on here that fit right down into these corners. So yeah, oh my god, they're like so secure. I am in love with these. I wish I had room for more, I would get them. But yeah, these are great. I am loving these. So if you're interested in any of this stuff, I mean, don't wait because these things do not last at all these at all. I mean, I'm sure probably if I went back after the weekend is over and go back during this week that they're probably going to be gone. So if you're looking for them, get out and get yours. But anyway, that is it. I think that is all I wanted to show you guys here. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I will see you all next time. Have a great day, everyone.